Hi, Tutor LMS users. You've spent months building your online course, your students are engaged, submitting assignments regularly. But one question keeps coming up. Are the assignments submitted by the students actually theirs? Or a picket from the web or written by an AI? AI writing tools are everywhere. Paraphrasing software rewrites entire essays in seconds. Copying from the web takes one click. And grading it all manually? That's hours of your time, with no guarantee you catch anything. There has to be a better way. Meet Tutor LMS Plagiarism Checker, the only WordPress plugin that combines web plagiarism scanning and catching AI-generated contents using the most intelligent API sleuth. The moment a student submits an assignment, it runs automatically. No extra steps for you. No buttons to press. Here's what happens behind the scenes the moment a student hits submit. Check 1. Web plagiarism. The submission is sent to CopyLeaks, which scans billions of web pages and academic databases. Any identical, similar, or paraphrased text is flagged instantly. Check 2. CopyLeaks AI detection. Using CopyLeaks' dedicated Writing Detector, the plugin checks whether the text was written by an AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or any other tool. You get a score and a verdict: human, likely AI, or definitely AI. Check 3. Claude AI analysis. At the same time, Anthropic's Claude performs its own independent AI check and goes one step further. It compares the writing style to the student's previous submissions, flagging sudden changes in tone, vocabulary, or sentence structure that might suggest someone else, or something else, wrote it. Inside your Tutor LMS assignments list, there's now a dedicated plagiarism column. Every submission shows its scores right there in the list: web plagiarism percentage, CopyLeaks AI verdict, Claude AI verdict, color-coded so high-risk submissions stand out immediately. You'll see the plagiarism score, the AI verdicts, and a direct link to the full report. Everything is right where you need it, exactly when you need it. Click View Full Report and you get a complete breakdown. 4 score rings show web plagiarism, CopyLeaks AI, Claude AI, and writing style consistency, all color-coded from green to red. The AI detection section shows which parts of the text were flagged as AI-generated, with a human probability score and sensitivity level. And at the bottom, there's a private teacher notes section where you can record your decision, any conversations with the student, or follow-up actions. It saves instantly with one click. The system is built to always give you a result. If CopyLeaks AI detection hits a temporary issue, an API limit, a network problem, anything, Claude automatically steps in as a backup. You set the thresholds. When any submission crosses them, 30% plagiarism, 60% AI generated, whatever you decide, you and the course instructor get an automatic alert email. It shows the student's name, the assignment title, and the exact flags raised. You can act before grades are submitted, before certificates are issued, and before the problem gets bigger. Setup takes under 5 minutes. Here's exactly how to get started. Step 1. Connect CopyLeaks. Go to the plugin settings page. Enter your CopyLeaks email and API key. Click Test Connection. You'll see a green confirmation if it's working. That's it for plagiarism scanning. Step 2. Enable CopyLeaks AI detection. Still on the settings page, turn on the CopyLeaks AI detection toggle. Set the sensitivity level, we recommend starting at 2, and set your alert threshold, for example 60%. Step 3. Connect Claude. Enter your Anthropic API key in the Claude section. Click Test Connection. Green tick. You're good to go. Step 4. Set your thresholds. Decide at what score you want to be alerted. You can set separate thresholds for web plagiarism, CopyLeaks AI, and Claude AI. The defaults are a good starting point. Step 5. Save and you're done. Click Save. From this point forward, every assignment submission in Tutor LMS is automatically scanned. You don't need to do anything else. When you see a high score, Click View Full Report to see exactly what was flagged. Review the sources, the AI analysis, the style consistency. Everything you need to make a fair decision. If a student resubmits, or if you want a fresh check, hit Rescan. Results update automatically within seconds. Tutor LMS Plagiarism Checker gives you automatic plagiarism detection, dual AI analysis, style consistency checking, smart fallback, instant alerts, and a beautiful detailed report. All inside your existing Tutor LMS workflow. Protect the value of your courses. Protect your students who do the right thing. And give yourself the tools to grade with complete confidence. Get Tutor LMS Plagiarism Checker today at wppluginsforyou.com.